Hello everyone, and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stylish glass effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's simple to make and can give your presentations a modern, professional look. Let's begin. Start by deleting the existing slide and inserting a new blank slide. Next, insert the image you'd like to use as your background. Select the picture. Open the Picture Format tab, click Crop, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This ensures the image matches the dimensions of the slide perfectly. Resize and position the picture until it fills the entire slide. Now, create a duplicate of the background image by reduce the size of the duplicated image and place it in the center of the slide. Adjust its dimensions to achieve the layout you want. With the smaller image selected, go to Picture Format, choose Artistic Effects, and apply the blur effect. Then open Corrections and select one of the brighter presets. Right-click the image and choose Format Picture. Under Artistic Effects, increase the radius value until you achieve a soft, frosted glass appearance. Once you're satisfied with the effect, go back to Picture Format, select Crop, then crop to shape and choose a rounded rectangle. Use the yellow adjustment handle to customize the corner radius until it looks just right. Now it's time to add your main subject. For the best results, use a PNG image with a transparent background. Position the image on top of the glass panel as shown. Next, insert a text box and type your content. Now duplicate the entire slide by pressing Ctrl-D. Return to the first slide and zoom out slightly. Move both the image and the text boxes outside the visible slide area. Then zoom back in. Increase the size of the glass panel slightly and center it on the slide. Insert another text box and type your main title. Customize the text to match your design. I'll set the font color to white, make it bold, increase the font size, and set the character spacing to very loose for a clean, elegant appearance. Next, add another text box for the subtitle. To give it a modern style, increase the character spacing to 20 points. Then adjust the font size and alignment as needed. Hold Ctrl to select both text boxes, and press Ctrl+G to group them together. This allows you to move them as a single object. Copy the grouped text with Ctrl+C and paste it onto the second slide. Zoom out and move the text group outside the slide area. Finally, let's create the animation. Open the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. That's it. Your Glassmorphism animation is now complete. Play the slideshow to see the smooth transition in action. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint design and animation tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.